all right? I'm gonna ask you to do something for me if you can. I don't care if it's a nickel, quarter, dollar, dime, whatever you can do. If you can get someone to sponsor, please. The only way we can deal with this cancer battle is if we do it together. There's not one person that's gonna make this happen. We need a whole lot of bodies. Do I got a whole lot of bodies out there? Was Sandra's verdict. She died of cancer last year. This to you, Ma, I love you. Gone but not forgotten. Make some noise, Mr. Academy. When I was on earth, I couldn't be stopped. Now I'm inhaling, I'm playing dominoes with Tupac. It must have been all of them demons in me. Cause I swear to God, I saw Biggie coming down the chimney. Now while my mind always playing tricks on me, from the east side all the way back to California, it's my lifelong journey and it's almost done. I said I can't let that joke ripping my big one. I'm going down and my life is almost over. I ran into bad luck when I kicked the breathing floor. Mom in September, me in October, my grave's surrounded by weeds cause I'm a solar lawnmower. I know I'm gone, but I'm not forgotten. Cause all my body's laying in the ground, they paying the rock. I'll go up to the valley of death, I fear no evil. As long as I know what just the box on my people. Lord have mercy, Father forgive me. Caught up with the trauma in my war-town city. Lord have mercy, Father forgive me. Caught up with the trauma in my war-town city. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. You gonna finish it like this. Remember being misunderstood. My life was hard as heck, I did the best that I could. And as I closed my eyes, no breathing for my last breath. I miss my kids, how did I get in this mess? Lord is my shepherd and thou shalt not want. I'm not a stunt man, but I pulled a lot of stunts. And as I closed my eyes and I laid my head to rest, this is my confession of my life after death. Lord have mercy, Father forgive me. Caught up with the drama in my war-town city. Lord have mercy, Father forgive me. Caught up with the drama in my war-town city. Shed your verdict, don't you be scared. Your oldest son is coming home to calm your fears. Nothing must have been missing an angel. Cause on the day you died, all night, I wanted to shrink. Make some noise for some kind of noise! That's how we do. All AKA Mr. Flippin' and the farmer and the whole student body. We in the house, baby. Yeah.
Walking is a very serious thing, and it cannot be fooled around with. Let me down me straight. Walking must be done heel to toe, and only one foot must be on the ground at all times. During running, sometimes you're kind of in the midair. It's one of those scenarios that happens. In walking, one foot must always remain on the ground. If you do not do this, teachers, we get called, you're out. Okay, in the freshman class, the dean, Mr. Mallon. For the juniors, we have Powerhouse, Miss Gould. We have Miss Carpenter coming up for the senior class. Five. Make sure they're not coming off the ground. First, I'm sorry. Mr. Mallon got first. Mr. Diamond was second, Miss Carpenter was third, and Miss Gould came in fourth. That's respectable, though. That's still respectable.